Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on your Google Pixel. This is a super useful feature when you need some uninterrupted time, whether you're in a meeting, studying, or just want to silence all those notifications for a while. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate and tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings. This icon is your gateway to all the customization options on your Pixel, and it's where you'll find the Do Not Disturb controls along with many other important features. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Modes. This section is specifically designed to help you manage different states your phone can be in, including Do Not Disturb, which is perfect for controlling when and how your phone interrupts you. Google has made this feature really accessible and easy to configure. Next, you'll see the Do Not Disturb option listed among other modes. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to a dedicated screen where you can control all the settings related to Do Not Disturb mode, including what notifications come through and when the mode activates. Now, to immediately activate Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap Turn On Now. This instantly silences all notifications, calls, and alerts, except for any exceptions you might have set up previously. Your phone will now be in Do Not Disturb mode, giving you the peace and quiet you need without any distractions. And that's it. You've now enabled Do Not Disturb mode on your Google Pixel, and your device will stay silent until you decide to turn it off. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.